Hi, it's Shell with Little Acres Creations. Stay tuned to see how I make this quilted inspired card. The first thing I did was pick out my patterns. So I have one that is printed as well as a solid. And then I cut each one into 1 by 1 inch squares. And then I took 2 of the solid and 2 of the printed and cut them in half, kind of catty corner. And so I had little corners. And now I am just following a design that I saw in a magazine. The piece that I'm working on in the background is about 4 by 4. And I just kind of aimed for the center of that and just to kind of for the middle. And as you see, when I get done, 2 of the sides are a little bit too large, so I am just going to trim those down. Again, this is a very, very simple card, but if you have a quilter in your life, this would be so sweet to send them. And then for the background of the card, I just picked out the same pink as well as the same print. And I'm going to cut those down. I'm going to cut the print down to 5 1/4 by 4. And then the solid print I'm going to cut down to 5 by 3 3/4. And then I'm just going to layer the print down on my card base, which is an A2 card base. And then I'm going to put the solid on top of that. And then I'm going to just put my quilted piece, I'm going to just put that on the top part of the card. Then I went to my dies and I pulled out the die that said hugs, and I kind of tried to match the hot pink that's in the printed, and I just got a solid piece of paper and cut that out, and now I'm just attaching it with some glassy accents. And that is the extent of this card. It's a very simple card. You can pause the video so you can see exactly what the pattern is. And I would love to see what you create. Come on over to Little Acres Creations on Facebook and join us there. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a great day.